As far as Doge support floor, it essentially is presently $0.056 in an extremely significant manner. Dogecoin cost examination by and large is bullish today, which truly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin explicitly has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, or so they generally thought. Doge for the most part rose 8.75% in 7 days, or so they really thought. 03 December 2023, in this we will for the most part walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified pressing issues, facts, what truly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, in a real sense, is Doge a genuinely wise speculation, which truly is very huge. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they for the most part thought. However, prior to jumping extremely profound into the Doge specialized investigation, really let us for the most part discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,484,537,238,437 in an unobtrusive manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $45,105,667,806, or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how Dogecoin cost examination most certainly is bullish today in an unobtrusive manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, which really is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours in a sort of enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time span in an extremely large manner. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP especially, is up by 2.68 and as of now exchanging at 63 cents in a very large manner. Moreover, Solana came to $63.36 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem in a very enormous way. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a very descending heading for kind of present moment, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely huge. As of now, a fundamentally broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, so moreover, Solana came to $63.36 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, which certainly is genuinely huge. Support especially is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become more genuinely dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition in every way that really matters is a level at which vendors fundamentally become genuinely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 2.68 and as of now exchanging at 63 cents in an unpretentious manner. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, sort of is at $0.085, up 1.04% in every practical sense, recent hours, and generally has a value change of 8.75% throughout the week incredibly. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is $547,451,098.00 United States dollars, while kind of all out, market cap came to $12,036,399,149 United States dollars in a huge manner. They by and large are practically 142,080,656,384 sort of are available for use out of 142,080,656,384, exhibiting how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, truly is up by 2.68 and as of now exchanging at 63 cents, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value examination. Doge cost examination for 03 December 2023, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time period, for the most part made sense of underneath, showing how 03 December 2023. In this we will explicitly walk you through Dogecoin cost investigation for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly by and large clarified some things, facts, what by and large is essentially momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, sort of is Doge a kind of wise venture, which truly is genuinely critical. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including extremely straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving really normal, EMA, to sort of dissect the future development of the Dogecoin in a fundamentally significant manner. While Doge's Williams %R pointer especially is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange really signal generally will be by and large conceivable at this reach, genuinely further appearance how Doge certainly rose 8.75% in 7 days in a kind of huge manner. The MACD line certainly is remaining underneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the Doge specialized examination, explicitly let us truly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, or so they in every practical sense, thought. Dogecoin financial backers need to fundamentally sit tight for any directional change over the sort of everyday diagram. Pretty further appearance how similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers by and large become move especially dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Showing how XRP, the especially local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 2.68 and at present exchanging at 63 cents, or so they essentially thought. The in every practical sense, relative strength file, RSI, shows that the Dogecoin in a real sense is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 24, exhibiting that Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Ends at this point, Dogecoin for the most part is getting along nicely and explicitly is endeavoring to in every way that really matters, break out of the ruddy zone in an unobtrusive manner. To in a real sense put resources into the computerized cash, crypto financial backers by and large need to see the Doge move into the extremely sure zone, showing how yet prior to plunging in every way that really matters, profound into the Doge specialized examination, truly let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations, which especially is very huge. As may be obvious, Dogecoin most certainly is on its way up, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29%.